Today I'm giving you a tour of the Warner Brothers Studios tour here in Burbank, California. So I was super excited to go on this tour. I have been wanting to go on this for years. And now my daughter is 9 years old, so we were able to go. And just so you know, children under 8 are not allowed. And there's reasons for that. It is a working studio. And so it is, and it wouldn't be really fun for the little ones anyways. So again, 9 years old and up. I love this tour. It is an authentic studio tour. Right there, we're at Gilmore Girls set. This is actually a scene from Friends when they go down the prom. We're actually in the room inside the lot itself. So you get off the tram now and then. Sometimes you're on it, sometimes you're off. It's 2 hours guided and 1 hour not guided. But the not guided, we actually stayed a little bit longer than that. I think it took us about 4 hours to complete this tour. Like you see right here, we're off the tram right now. We're going through different things for Aquaman, and we're going to go upstairs to see things from the movie Harry Potter. And lots of memorabilia, guys. This is something you should not miss if you're coming to California to visit. If you're picking up a cruise ship here, this should be on the list of things to do for the day. Now, the tour is about 2 to 4 hours long. Again, typically 4 hours total. At the Friends stage, you don't get to go on that, but you get to see where it was filmed at. We did go on an actual sound stage and actually saw a show that's being filmed. It wasn't going that day, so we're actually just walked on the sets, which was really cool. You don't really get that anywhere else in the industry where they're going to give you a chance to see something. Every tour is unique and different because depending on what is going on that day. Now, this is a Batman memorabilia section that was incredible if you really love the Batman movies. They also had a cafe that was from kind of like a Friends cafe with really cool food, cute memorabilia, great souvenirs here, guys. And then they have drinks named after all the characters on Friends. Everybody wanted pictures in front of Central Park. This wasn't even a question. And then the best part, my favorite part, was actually they do have the scenes from Friends still. It's a 25th anniversary, and you actually can get your picture taken on the set. And probably my highlight, you have to buy it. They have a great package program, so take all the photos, guys. Do not skip anything, even the virtual stuff. Take it because I thought the package that they offered for everything was a phenomenal price. And you can share it with up to I think 2 sets. If you have lots of family with you, take all the sets together, bring all your packages up at the same time. Here is the set from Big Bang. You get your picture taken. They have the elevator. They have Penny's door. I mean, incredible, incredible tour. The pricing ranges depending on what tour you pick. They have all different kinds. I literally want to go back. I want to go into a longer tour on the next time I go. It was incredible. This right here, you could actually do flying on Harry Potter and Batman. Do it because, again, it's part of the package when you purchase the photos. This was a sound area that we got to see how they made sound. And you actually get to hold a true Academy Award and take a photo. I didn't take a picture of that, but I will tell you, one of my most memorable, it was a true award that was won back in the 50s. Definitely cool. Gift shop is not to be missed. They have everything from Harry Potter, Friends, Gilmore Girls, Big Bang. Definitely check that out. I had to buy this picture frame from Friends because, it's a classic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I am a local travel agent here in California. Thanks. Bye.